adding with no carrying. There are several words which can be used that mean the same as add. These include sum. For example, what is the sum of 6 and 3? Plus, what is 5 plus 1? Total, what is the total of 3, 6 and 2? And altogether, there were 3 men and 4 girls. How many people altogether? When adding, the order of using the numbers doesn't matter. For example, 5 plus 4 is the same as 4 plus 5. Either way round, the answer is 9. Remember that the answer is always greater than any of the original numbers. Let's look first at adding 2-digit numbers using the tens and units columns. If you're not sure about the headings of the different columns, have a look at the sections on place value. To add 46 and 32, start, as always for adding, in the units column. 6 plus 2 is 8. Then you add the numbers in the tens column. 4 plus 3 is 7. So the answer is 78. Here's another example including a 0. The method is exactly the same. To add 50 and 19, start with the units column. 0 plus 9 is 9. Now in the tens column, 5 add 1 is 6. So that's the answer, 69. For 3-digit numbers, using the hundreds column, adding works in the same way. Here's 823 plus 145. Starting, as always for adding in the units column, 3 add 5 is 8. Now in the tens column, 2 add 4 is 6. And lastly for this sum, the hundreds column, 8 plus 1 is 9. So the answer is 968. If numbers of different lengths, line up the right-hand digits, the units columns. For example, 314 add 65. Start to add from the right-hand side. 4 add 5 is 9. 1 plus 6 is 7. And 3, with nothing to add, is still 3. So the answer is 379. You can, of course, add more than 2 numbers. Use exactly the same method. Line up the numbers to finish with the units in the line at the right. 605 plus 31 plus 240. Starting with the units, 5 add 1 is 6, nothing is still 6. Now the tens. 0 plus 3 plus 4 is 7. And then the hundreds, 6 add 2 is 8. So the answer is 876.